What? We're lighting fireworks for 4th of July, and this is a popper. It's empty because we already popped it and there's just confetti in it. Right. More? Oh, yeah. Come with smoke too. It actually works, even though it's really bad.
Wait a minute. Schoolboy Q, man of the year, man of the year, man of the Browns. So kids, this is a lesson from the American Lung Heart Association. Don't smoke, because really, it messes up your lungs in the long run. So please, stay safe, and from the M Square and Bernard in the gang, stay cool.